Good morning, folks. I am Alexis. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to install the new version of OpenCart version 2.0.0.0 that just came out yesterday, 1st of October 2014. Today's second. Before we proceed, I would like to apologize ahead of time on behalf of my neighbors. I don't know what happened to them this morning. They're just ranting and chanting since morning, like they saw Santa Claus or something. So in case during the course of this walkthrough you eventually start hearing some silly background noise, please, I'm sorry about it. There's nothing I can do. It's way beyond my control. Otherwise, I would have, done something about it. Okay, before we get started, you have to, of course, have a PC or a Mac. All right, and then you have to download xampp for PC or WAMP or MAMP for Mac. All right, so let's just go to the website already. I've gone to OpenCart. This is the download page. You can see 1st of October 2014. It came out yesterday. Just click on the download link and it's gonna get downloaded onto your system already. I downloaded it already, so let me just go ahead and extract the files. Okay, here's the file here, OpenCart version 2.0. I just have to extract it here. Let me create a subfolder so that it's gonna accommodate it all. I don't want the zip files, the content to spread all over my desktop, so I'm just gonna extract everything in one place. Just gotta wait for it to finish extracting. Alright, done. So this is the file we're going to be needing. We don't need this anymore, so we can delete it. Alright, sure. So now the next thing you're gonna do is to create a database for your store. You're gonna create a database name, your username, and password. These are the three things you need to configure your OpenCart, because without them you can't install anything. Already I have my xampp running. Okay, here is it. xampp control panel. So I have my Apache, my SQL, and everything up and running. Then we have to edit this file. You open inside, you go to the upload folder, then this config dist you have to edit by renaming this PHP file. You remove the dist, you go to the admin as well, you do the same thing. Okay, fine, we're good to go. Alright, then the content you need here is just the upload. You don't need this license and stuff like that. Okay, now you just copy this. Okay, this file, the upload file, let me just cut it away from here. Then we visit our folder, our root directory here. This is under the xampp HTC docs, and I just pasted it here. So while that is loading, let's go to the root directory, php admin, localhost, php admin. Okay, my username by default is root, then the password. I'm gonna log in. Now I'm gonna be creating a table, a database, database, just for the purpose of this tutorial. I'm going to call it demo store. Then I create. Now I've created my database. My username is root and my password. Okay. Alright, then we have to locate the directory of the upload. That's this this upload here inside the xampp root folder. You get what I mean? So you just have to open it from the browser here by iterating through localhost upload, right? And click enter. Now this is what we'll get. Just click on continue. Just read through if you want to. Continue. Just have to make sure everything under the status is marked green. Only then can you proceed. Everything has to be marked green. I want to make this video as quick as possible. You click on continue. Alright, hostname by default. Here is localhost. Everything is by default. Then the username, remember it is root, right? Root. Then the password. My password. Then the database name that I created is the demo store. If you remember, just now I created the demo store. Then this prefix, just leave it. It has always been there. I think it's a tradition. Then the username by admin, by default we leave it here as admin. Then the password to Wi-Fi, you can put any password you so desire. Just make sure you don't forget. Alright, let me just call it admin. Same thing. Admin. Email,